Hello everyone, let's practice IELTS Academic Writing Module. Let's begin with Task 1. Let's carefully examine the question first. Task 1. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. The diagram below shows how olive oil is manufactured. Write a report for a university lecture describing the information below. You should write at least 150 words. The diagram illustrates a linear process with 7 stages, starting from picking olives and ending with storage and sale of olive oil. Look for key stages like initial steps. First, olives are picked, then rinsed with cool water on a conveyor, then smashed into paste in a grinder. Next, extraction. Paste moves to pressing in bags with holes, producing olive oil, paste, and stones. In the final, oil separates from water, stones are bagged, and products like oil and paste are stored. Now let's see a sample answer. Diagram despite the sequential stages involved in the production of olive oil, from the initial harvesting of olives to the final storage and sale of the finished product. Overall, the manufacturing process comprises 7 distinct stages, beginning with the manual collection of olives and culminating in the commercial distribution of purified olive oil. Throughout the process, the olives undergo cleaning, crushing, pressing, and separation, during which unwanted materials are removed and the oil is extracted. At the first stage, olives are harvested from trees and gathered in container before being transferred to the renishing facility, where they are thoroughly washed using cool water to eliminate dust and debris. Subsequently, the cleaned olives are conveyed via a belt to a smashing machine, in which they are crushed to form olive paste, while the stones are simultaneously separated and discarded. In the next phase, the paste is placed into perforated bags, which are sacked and subjected to mechanical pressure. This pressing stage produces a liquid mixture consisting of oil and water. The mixture is then channeled into a separation unit where the two substances are efficiently divided, resulting in a pure olive oil. Finally, the extracted oil is stored appropriately and prepared for sale, marking the completion of the production process. Next, task 2. Let's first examine the question. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. International travel is becoming cheaper and cheaper, and more countries are now opening their doors to foreign visitors. Do you think that the advantage of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? Give reasons for your answers and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge and experience. Write at least 250 words. The topic has two connected ideas. International travel is becoming cheaper, and the next one, more countries are opening their doors to foreign visitors. Here, in the advantages, you can include the points like economic growth, job creation, greater cultural exchange and understanding, travel become accessible to more people, and improved international relationships. And in disadvantages, you can include the points like environmental damage, overcrowding and pressure on infrastructure, and cultural erosion. Here you should follow the below structure while writing the essay. First one, introduction. Here you have to include topic plus thesis like advantages outweigh. Next, body 1, economic benefits. You can include like points, job creation, tourism examples. In the body paragraph 2, you have to include cultural exchange. The next body paragraph 3, you have to give some disadvantages plus solutions. And the last, conclusion. Restate thesis, summarize advantages and disadvantages, end with balanced outlook. Let's see a sample answer. International travel has become increasingly affordable due to budget airlines, digital booking platforms, and relaxed visa policies. At the same time, many countries are actively encouraging foreign visitors to stimulate their economies. While this trend has some drawbacks, I strongly believe that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. One of the most significant benefit of cheaper international travel is its positive economic impact. Tourism generates employment across multiple sectors including hospitality, transport, retail and entertainment. Developing countries in particular benefit from foreign exchange earning which can be reinvested in infrastructure, healthcare, and education. For example, countries such as Thailand and Vietnam have transformed their local economics through tourism driven growth, lifting millions out of poverty. Moreover, small businesses such as local guides, artisans, and family run hotels gain direct access to global markets. Another major advantage is cultural exchange and global awareness. International travel exposes individuals to different traditions, values, and way of lives, forecasting tolerance and mutual understanding. Students and professionals who travel abroad often return with broader perspectives, improved communication skills, and a deeper appreciation of cultural diversity. In my own experience, interacting with people from different countries has helped me challenge stereotypes and develop a more inclusive worldview. However, the rapid growth of international tourism also has disadvantages. Over tourism can strain local resources, damage fragile ecosystems, and erode cultural heritage. Popular destinations such as Venice and Bali have struggled with environmental degradation and raising living costs for residents. Additionally, increased air travel contributes to carbon emissions, exacerbating climate change. Despite the concerns, such problems can be mitigated through sustainable tourism practices, stricter environmental regulations, and responsible travel behavior. Governments and travelers alike share the responsibility of balancing economic benefits with environmental protection. In conclusion, although cheaper international travel presents challenges, its economic, social, and advan- advantages clearly outweigh the disadvantages. When managed global tourism serves as a powerful tool for development, understanding, and international cooperation. Now it's your turn to share your response. Comment below with your answer, and I will provide the band score along with the implementation.